Yung ito, pag-usapan natin at pag-aralan natin, no? Ano nga po ba ang combination? This is our last part ng ating sequence or ng ating series na pinag-aaralan pagdating sa fundamental counting principles, okay? So, sa combination nga po, ano nga po pala ang meron dito? What is the math behind that? Bakit kailangan natin i-discuss ito? Okay? So, ang combination kasi class, the combination means selection of things. Selection of things, ibig sabihin selection of ng mga objects, no, pagpipilian, no? And then order of things has no importance. Ibig sabihin, class, walang pakialam ang wala siyang pakialam kung walang importante sa kanya yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Basta yun ang pinanggalingan. Kung doon nanggaling, basta yun na yun. So ano ang ibig sabihin nito? An arrangement in which order does not matter. So, hindi problema sa kanya yung arrangement, hindi rin sa kanya problema yung does not matter, hindi rin problema sa kanya yung order. Diba? So, for instance, a ham and cheese, yan, dito tayo a ham and cheese sandwich is the same as a cheese and ham sandwich. So, ibig sabihin, class, sa ano kasi yan, sa permutation, magkaiba yan. No? Magkaiba lang siya sa position. Sa ham and cheese and ham. No? So, dito naman sa combination, parehas lang sila. Kasi ano lang ba yung nilalagay sa sandwich ng particular na yon? Eh, di ham and cheese lang din, no? Wala na siyang pakialam kung ang uunahin niya ay cheese or ham. Parang ganito siya. Si AB at si BA, kay permutation, magkaiba siya. Kay combination, parehas lang siya. Kasi ano yung ginamit na letter? B at A lang din. Kahit pag balik-baliktarin mo yan, B at A pa din ang ginamit na letter. So, combination po siya. Okay? Now, so let us discuss the lesson in word. Pag sinabi natin lesson in word, katulad lang din siya ng permutation. No? So, ang lesson in word natin, yung 642. Yan. Sa 642 po kasi class, meron siyang 42 numbers. No? Then, pipili ka lang ng 6 out of 42 digits. And then, meron siyang 5,245,000 6-digit combination. And then, yung rules niya, hindi siya katulad nung nasa unang sequence natin na, result must be in exact order. Dito naman, you may not repeat digit and the result must be in any order. Okay? So, in any order naman na po siya. Okay? So, yung probability in one ticket, mas bumaba nga lang. Kasi mas maraming numbers, mas mababa ang probability na makakakuha ka in one ticket. Okay, next. Ito naman, Mega Lotto 645, no? Meron siyang 45 numbers, then pipili ka lang ng 6 out of 45 digits. At meron siyang 8,145,066 digit combinations. And then ganun din, you may not repeat digit and the result must be in any order. Yun lang ang kagandahan dito, in any order. Pero mas marami nga lang. At mas bababa ang probability na mananalo kayo sa your one ticket. Okay? Now, proceed tayo sa next. So, dito naman tayo sa ikatlo, which is the Super Lotto 649. So, meron siyang 49 numbers, no? And then, you may choose 6 out of 49 digits. So, meron siyang 13,989,816 6-digit combination. Okay? You may not repeat digit and result may be in any order, no? So, must be in any order. So, kahit in any order na yan, wala nang pakialam dyan sa 649 or wala nang pakialam ang 649 dyan kung kahit saang position mo ilagay yung particular number, no? And then, yung Grand Lotto, yan yung pinag-usapan natin sa classic probability dun sa lesson 1, no? So, meron siyang 55 numbers. Then, you may choose 6 out of 55 digits at meron siyang 28,989,675 6-digit combination. You may not repeat digit and also the result must be in any order. Okay, yan. Then next, Ultra Lotto. Ang Ultra Lotto naman meron 58 numbers. You may choose 6 out of 58 digits at meron siyang 40,475,358 6-digit combination. You may not repeat digit and result must be in exact order. Okay, so yung probability niya sa isang ticket ay 1 over 40,475,358 or ayan lang. Sobrang liit pa din na makakapakuha ka ng panalo dyan sa Ultra Lotto ng isang ticket. Okay? So, let us discuss now the formula ng solving of combination. So, the combination of n objects chosen r at a time is equals to n factorial all over n minus r factorial times r factorial. So, ibig sabihin, nadagdagan lang siya ng r factorial, katulad lang nung nauna din, na permutation, na kung saan wala naman po yung r factorial. Which is the n is the number of objects and then the r is the number of objects taken at a time or chosen at a time. Okay? So, let us now start our discussion. So, number 1, we have the 8 combination 2. So, kung makikita ninyo, katulad lang din ng pagtuturo ko po sa permutation last time, so, ang value ng n ay yung always yung nasa baba ng letter, yung letter C. At dito naman yung nasa taas ay yung value ng R. So, therefore, the value of n is 8 and then the value of R is 2. Now, so, let us solve. So, solve natin ngayon gamit ang permutation formula. No? The n combination R, which is equals to n factorial, yan, all over n minus R factorial times R factorial. Now, so let us, second step, let us change the value of n and r. So, the value of n, which is 8, and then the value of r is 2. And then next, change the value of n, which is 8 factorial. Yan, 8 factorial all over. Then n, 8 minus 2, kasi nga yung 8n minus r. Then ayan na po siya. Factorial, and then write the factorial symbol or the value of r, which is 2 factorial. And then next, ang kasunod po niyan ay copy yung 8 factorial, and then the next step should be you need to subtract, no, isusubtract nyo naman po yung 8 minus 2 na nasa quantity. So that is 8 minus 2, that is 6 factorial. Then all over times 2 factorial. Now, kung mapapansin niyo class, tinuro ko ito sa factorial, yung mga technique sa factorial. Kung ang technique, ang magandang technique na lang na gawin natin, hanapin niyo na lang po yung number na mas mataas dun sa denominator. So, parang katulad lang din siya ng permutation. So, dito, yung 8 factorial, i-expand mo lang hanggang dun sa may pinakamataas na number doon sa denominator, which is yung 6 factorial. So, ganito lang siya, 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. O, ganyan lang siya. And then over, then copy the 6 factorial all over times 2 factorial. And then cancel out the 6. O, 6 factorial. Wala na siya. So, ang matitira na lang is yung 8 times 7 all over. Yung 2 factorial, ang value ng 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So, that is 2. So, 8 times 7, so that is 56. 56 over 2. Then next, 56 divided by 2. Therefore, the combination of 8 objects chosen 2 at a time is 56 divided by 2. That is 28. So this is our, So that is our first answer in example number 1 is 28. Okay? So ayan, yan. Yan, okay? So, if you have some question, message nyo lang sa sir kung may mga katanungan naman po kayo. Okay, next, proceed tayo sa example number 2. So, let us now proceed on the number 2. Example number 2 is the combination of 7 objects chosen 5 at a time. So, ang value po ng ating, so the value of our n is 7. So, ang value ng n ay 7. So that is the value of n. And then the value of r is 5. Okay, so n equals 7 and then the value of r is 5. Okay, so kasunod niyan, so let us solve. Yan, okay. So let us now write the formula of n combination r and then all over n factorial all over then n minus r factorial times r factorial. So ayan na po yung formula niya. And then next po, isusulat lang po natin or ipapalitan lang po natin yung given number. The value of n is 7 and then the value of r is 5. Then also ganun din sa ginawa natin sa n, dun sa n combination r, no? So yung n value, palitan mo lang siya ng 7 factorial all over 7, the value of n minus the r, value of r which is 5 factorial. All over, the value of r is 5 factorial. Now, next, ang susunod naman natin gagawin ay 7 factorial, copy, all over. 7 minus 5, that is 2 factorial, times 5 factorial. Now, so kahit na nasa kabilang part yung pinakamataas na number, which is yung 5 factorial, okay lang po yun. Ika-cancel nyo lang po siya hanggang maging 5 factorial. So, i-expand nyo yung 7 factorial na hanggang makarating ng 5 factorial. So, 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. 5 factorial. And then, so 2 factorial and then 5 factorial. Then, cancel out the 5 factorial. Ang mangyayari ay magiging 7 times 6 all over. Then, 2 factorial, that is 2 times 1, that is 2. Okay? So, therefore, 7 times 6, ano ang sagot ng 7 times 6? That is 42. Divided by 2. So, that is the permutation, the combination of 7 objects chosen 5 at a time is 21. So, this is our answer in example number 2. Okay? Meron po ba tayong mga ilang katanungan po regarding po sa ating lesson? Okay? Kung may tanong ay mag-send lamang po kayo ng message kay Sir G. Okay? Then next, example number 3. Yan. Pinag-plus po natin yung value ng 9 combination 4 at ng 8 combination 3. Paano po ito? So, katulad lang din ng permutation natin sa Google Meet class. Ganito siya, ha? Okay? So, ang una nyo lang gagawin is pag-iwalayin lang muna natin. So, unahin muna natin yung 9 combination 4. Tapos, sundan natin ng 8 combination 3. Yan. So, ngayon, alam niyo naman na yung formula natin which is n combination r which is equals to n factorial all over n minus r factorial times r factorial. Pasensya na, hindi straight yung ano eh. Ayan. Ups. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, ayan. So, next, so ang susunod na gagawin po natin ay unahin muna natin yung value ng 9 combination 4. So, that is n factorial, that is 9 all over 9 minus 4 factorial, then times 4 factorial. And then, next, 9 factorial all over 9 minus 4, that is 5 factorial. Then times 4 factorial. And then next, so i-cancel na lang, i-cancel out lang po natin yung 9 na hanggang makarating po siya ng 5. Okay? Okay, nasa na ba yung ating ano? Okay. Okay, so hanggang makarating lang ng 5. Okay, so let's start. That is 9 times 8. Kahit yung 4, pwede rin eh. Times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. All over 5 factorial times 4 factorial. Okay, so let us multiply the 9. 9, nasa na ba yung asterisk? 9 times 8 times 7 times, ano yan? Times 6. Okay? So, yan. So, ibig sabihin, ang susunod na gagawin natin na ika-cancel out na natin yung 5 factorial. So, pag pinag-multiply natin yan, ang mangyayari, the answer should be 3,024. And then, yung 4 factorial, i-expand nyo siya. That is 4 times 3, that is 12. 12 times 2, that is 24. And then 24 times 1 is 24. So, ngayon, ang susunod na dyan ay i-divide nyo ngayon yung 3,024, i-divide nyo po siya kay 24. So, the answer is 100. The answer is 126. So, the combination of 9 objects chosen 4 at a time is 126. So, yan. So, this is our answer in first part. So, next naman is yung 8 combination 3. Okay, so, ganun din. Change lang siya. 8 factorial all over. Ayan, all over. Then, n minus r, that is 8. minus 3 factorial all over I times 3 factorial. And then next, yan, 8 factorial all over. So 8 minus 3, ay ano mo lang siya, so magiging 5 factorial, subtract lang, then 3 factorial. And then next, expand mo yung ulit yung 8 factorial hanggang makarating naman nung 5 kasi mas mataas yung 5 na nasa denominator. So that is 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. Yan. So 5 factorial times 3 factorial. Then cancel out the 5 factorial. Yan. So hindi cancel out na po natin yung 5 factorial. So mangyayari ay magiging 8 times 7 times 6. So that is 336. So 336 all over 3 factorial, that is 3 times 2, that is 6 times 1, that is also 6. So ang mangyayari, so the combination of 8 objects chosen 3 at a time is 336 divided by 6, that is 56. Okay, so the answer is yan, 56. Yan, so that is 56. So yan ay sagot natin sa 8 combination 3. Now, ang susunod naman natin gagawin ay to change the value kung ano yung naging sagot natin sa 9 combination 4, which is 126. And then ipag-a-add siya sa value ng 8 combination 3, which is 56. So therefore, the answer is 182. So therefore, pag pinag-add daw natin yung 9 combination 4 at value ng 8 combination 3 is 182. Yan. So kung may katanungan lamang po kayo ay magtanong lamang po tayo. Okay, now next. Now, sa example number 4 naman, how many ways are there to select 3 people from a group of 10? So, meron daw 10 tao or 10 members, then pipili lang ako ng 3. No? Pipili lang ako ng 3, tapos mula dun sa 10 yon. So, ang ibig sabihin lang niyan, class, how many ways are there to select 3? Pipili ako ng 3. Pero ano yung pinagmulan ko? Manggagaling sa 10. So, therefore, the value of n is 10. And then the value of r is 3. Okay? So, yun yung pinanggalingan ko, yung 10. Kasi sa 10 ako pipili, tapos ang pipiliin ko ay 3. So, therefore, the formula for this is the 10 combination 3. Then, yung formula, huwag niyo pong kalilimutan. No? Lagi ko na nga pong isusulat yan dito eh. Yan. All over. Yan. N minus r factorial times r factorial. Yan. Okay? So, change the value of n factorial. That is 10 factorial. All over 10 minus 3 factorial and then 3 factorial. Then next, 10 factorial all over 10 minus 3, that is 7 factorial times 3 factorial. And then next, so expand mo lang yung 10 hanggang dun sa may pinakamataas na number na nasa denominator, which is yung 7 factorial. So that is 10 times 9 times 8 times hanggang 7 factorial. Hanggang 7 factorial lang. Huwag natin stressin ng sarili. 7 factorial, then 3 factorial. And then cancel out the 7 factorial. So since na-cancel out na po natin siya, that is 10 times 9, that is 90 times 8, that is 720. Okay? 720 divided by 3 factorial. Yung 3 factorial, ang value niya ay 6. Okay? So, therefore, there are the combination of 10 objects chosen 3 at a time is, that is 120. Yan. So, that is our answer. Yan. So, that is 120 or 120 ways. 120 ways. Yan yung sagot. Okay? 120 ways. Okay? So, kung may mga katanungan lamang po ay magtanong kayo, no? Kung may mga kalituhan lamang po sa ating pag-aaral. Okay. Then, next, and the last example. Ito, medyo challenging lang po ito ng konti. So, ang clue lang dito as gagamit lang po tayo ng multiplication table. Gagamit lang tayo ng multiplication process. Okay. Now, tignan niyo itong mabuti. Out of 8 consonants and 5 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels are formed? So, ang tinatanong daw, 3 consonants at 2 vowels. 2 vowels tsaka 3 consonants ha. Ang tanong class, yung dalawa yung magiging value of n mo dyan. Yung isang value of n para sa consonants. Yung isang, this is for consonants ha, consonants. At yung isang ang isa namang value of n mo ay para sa vowels. Yan. So magkahiwalay. Yan. N, F, R. So ngayon, punta muna tayo sa consonants. Ano ang value ng n mo? Ang value ng n mo, out of 8 consonants. Siyempre, yan yung value of n mo is 8 kasi merong 8 consonants. Ngayon, yung tinatanong, how many words and 2 vowels? No? 3 consonants and 2 vowels. So, siyempre, hahanapin mo yung consonants doon sa value of R. Siyempre, that is 3. Okay? And then next, the value of n naman sa vowels, ilan yung n mo? 5. Kasi nga, merong 5 vowels doon sa particular problem. So, this is 5. And then, we have 2. So, the value of R is 2. Therefore, ang formula para kay consonant is 8 combination 3. Okay? Now, so solve natin. 8 factorial all over 8 minus 3 factorial. Yan. Times 3 factorial. Yan. Medyo nahihirapan na si Sir. Joke lang. Okay. So, 8 factorial all over 8 minus 3, that is 5 factorial times 3 factorial. Now, expand the 8 factorial hanggang makarating lang ng 5. So, 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. Ganyan lang. All over 5 factorial times 3 factorial. So, cancel out the 5 factorial. So, ang mangyayari ay 8. So, that is, ganun pa din siya katulad nung kanina. So, that is 8 times 7 times 6. So, that is 336. So, 336 all over 3 factorial, that is 3 times 2, that is 6. 6 times 1, that is 6. So, therefore, the combination of 8 objects chosen 3 at a time is 56. Yan. So, 56 po yung ating sagot. Kasi pinag-divide po natin si 336 kay 6. So, burahin lang muna natin to class para 8 combination 3 is equals to 56. Ayan. So, ayan pa lang po ay para sa consonants. Okay? So, hatiin na lang natin para mas magandang Yan, sa consonants tayo. Ngayon, dun naman po tayo sa vowels. Sa vowels naman, ganun din. Ang formula niya naman ay 5 combination 2. So, 5 combination 2 po siya. So, therefore, ganun din. Write the formula, that is 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. And the next, 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 factorial, that is 3 factorial all over 2 factorial. And the next, expand mo yung 5 factorial, that is 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. Siyempre, mas mataas yung 3, kaya hanggang 3 na lang po, no? Para hindi na tayo mahirapan. And then, cancel out the 3 factorial, so that is 5 times 4, that is, 20, all over 2 factorial, that is 2. So, therefore, the combination of 5 objects chosen 2 at a time is 20 divided by 2, that is 10. So, this is our final answer. Now, syempre, hindi pa tayo tapos. Isosolve pa natin yung mismong given kasi, 3 words of consonants and vowels can be formed. Kailangan pagsamahin. So, therefore, ang formula na gagamitin natin is multiplication table. Kasi nga, ang sabi ng fundamental counting principle? Ang basic na operation na ginagamit sa kanila ay multiplication. So, therefore, that is 8 combination 3 multiply 5 combination 2. So, yung value ng 8 combination 3 natin kanina ay 56. And then times, the value of 5 combination 2 is 10. So, therefore, we have 560 ways. Ayan. 560 ways. Ayan. So, 560 ways po ang meron sa kanya. Okay? So I hope na may natutunan ka sa ating 5 examples, no? Mag-focus lang tayo para may mas marami pa po tayong matututunan pagdating sa konteksto ng combination. Let's go for the generalization. A permutation is an ordered combination. Mas organized siya kaysa kay combination. Number of combination is less than permutation. Tandaan niyo yan. Mas mababa ang value ng combination kaysa sa permutation. Try nyo ipag-compare din minsan yun, no? Okay? Yan. So, at dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating series pagdating sa fundamental counting principles. I hope na marami kang natutunan sa lesson ito or sa mga videos na ito. Muli po, ako po si Sir Gian, nagsasabi sa inyo ng isang makasaysayang goodbye and God bless you. Ingat kayo.